To other news now, restricted bail for those on gun charges and measures to remove the Queen as head of state by 2024. Those notices were given by the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs during her highly anticipated sectoral debate presentation on Tuesday. Herman Green has the details.
Since the creation of the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs in January, Jamaicans have been waiting for Minister Marlene Malahoo Forte to outline the plans to address constitutional reform, strengthening old laws, and Jamaica becoming a republic. On Tuesday, the minister finally spoke. She reiterated the government's push to get tough on gun crimes.
A new bail act is coming. I wanted to table it today, but we are revising the wordings of some clauses.
There have been complaints from law enforcement and citizens about persons before the courts on gun charges being linked to murders while out on bail. Mrs. Malahoo Forte did not say much about the coming bill, except to say,
if you're on murder charge, you cannot be at large. If you're on gun charge, you cannot be at large. The bail act will come shortly.
There have also been calls for details on Jamaica's plan to remove the Queen as head of state. According to the minister, based on the monarchy, Jamaica has no direct say in who will be the next head of state if the Queen dies or abdicates the British throne.
This is highly undesirable and inappropriate. There are many steps to be taken between now and the tabling of a new constitution. Madam Speaker, so there it is. The work is to get it in time for the next session so that the steps can be taken in time for the next general election.
As for other efforts, she notes that while the existing parliamentary council has been blamed for the slow pace of legislative changes, she defended the team, insisting that they deliver on time once the legislative directives are clear.
At the same time, it is very true that the office is under-resourced for the size of our government and the robust legislative response that is required in so many areas to address so many issues in the society.
She told Parliament that the law reform exercise is currently underway, with the department currently reviewing all 19th century laws. However, the decision of which piece of legislation takes priority may change based on reviews. Herman Green, TVJ News.